So we got the quick disconnects connected to the catch can right here, and then also on the quick vent right here. Now we just got to make the hoses. These are Grady hoses -10, and I'm just going to measure from the tip over here to however way I want, and then just chop it down. Look at that, super clean cuts. So we're gonna get this side, and then this right here. This is like the easiest AN fitting to do at home. I've done the old-fashioned way, and yeah, it's not fun. You have to get like the vise and all that stuff. We're gonna use the vise later, but this is actually threaded. So you spin it counterclockwise and it bites into the fitting. If you guys have ever done like regular AN fittings, they're kind of a pain in the butt because you have to press them together, especially with like, I don't know, maybe like a vise or something. So as you can see, look at that. It's mated right up to the front. I usually go a little bit more until it stops. Okay. You want it to be right at the front of the thread. See that? So we're going to use some O-ring lube. I'm just going to put it inside here. And take this guy, pop it in there. If you can, just add a little bit of lube on the threads because it'll make your life a lot easier when you start pushing this in. Okay, so we're gonna start driving this in. Now I might be blocking your guys' view, but hopefully not too much there. All right, so you can do this by hand first, or you could just full send and use one of these wrenches. So you're just gonna go all the way around. I try to do it in one smooth motion so I don't mar up the fitting. You know what I mean? So go like this. And then what this is doing is it's driving it into that other fitting. Okay? And the closer I get, the more careful I am so I don't scratch up the other side. Okay, this is why you need to add a little bit of lube so it spins nicely. And then I'm just gonna match the flats, and there you go. Easy peasy. Let me take this out and show you guys the results. Look at that. One piece, match the flats, and now you got your hose. Do the same thing on the other side, then we should be done. So here's the hose. We got my straight right there and then a 45. So the cool thing with this, if you're at the track and you need to dump something real quick, you can just pull these off and then you don't need tools. So pop this on this side. Nice. And then this still swivels, by the way. And you take this side, and we go over here, and then we're just gonna push it right in, this side right here. You see this is kind of cut because it's very close. So don't worry about the little scratched area. I'll show you that later. But if I take this off, see how I flattened one corner? Because this, they're very close. But anyways, here it is. Yeah. Well, oh, by the way, you have to open these for it to work. There you go. And then you can just situate the hoses however way you want. So yeah, it still swivels, as you can see right here.